Best practices for Afterpay Magento integration is a crucial topic for e-commerce businesses looking to offer flexible payment options to their customers. The integration process involves several steps and requires careful planning to ensure a seamless checkout experience. First, you need to create an Afterpay account and obtain the necessary API keys and credentials to connect your Magento store. This will enable you to access the Afterpay platform and start processing transactions. Next, you need to install the Afterpay Magento extension, which provides a pre-built integration with the Afterpay platform. The extension allows you to configure the payment method, set up payment plans, and customize the checkout experience. When configuring the payment method, you need to specify the payment terms, including the interest rate, fees, and repayment schedule. You also need to set up the payment plans, including the payment amount, frequency, and duration. To provide a seamless checkout experience, you need to customize the checkout process to include the Afterpay payment option. This involves adding the Afterpay payment button to the checkout page and configuring the payment form to collect the necessary customer information. Best practices for Afterpay Magento integration include testing the payment method thoroughly to ensure it is working correctly, providing clear instructions and guidance to customers on how to use the payment method, and monitoring transactions and resolving any issues promptly. Additionally, you need to ensure that your store meets the necessary security and compliance requirements, including PCI DSS and GDPR. You also need to keep your Magento store and the Afterpay extension up to date to ensure you have the latest features and security patches. By following these best practices, you can ensure a successful Afterpay Magento integration and provide your customers with a flexible and convenient payment option. This can help increase sales, improve customer satisfaction, and reduce cart abandonment rates.